Hi everyone! Welcome in my channel to this video where we'll learn about the long data type in Java. If you've ever needed to work with numbers larger than what an int can hold, then this video is for you. Let's dive in! Explanation of long. First, let's understand what long is. In Java, long is a primitive data type that is 64 bits in size and can store values from -2 to the power of 63 to 2*63-1. This is extremely useful for large numbers, like the distance between celestial objects or very large financial calculations. The default value of long is 0L. Example for declaration and institutionalized long. Long x. X equals 123L. Code example, walkthrough. Let's look at a simple Java program that uses long. Here, we'll calculate some values and print them. Public class long example. Public static void main string args. Long population of Sweden equals 10,327,518 L. Long distance to Sun in km equals 149,600,000 L. Long total distance equals distance to Sun in km *2. System.out.println. Population of Sweden plus population of Sweden. System.out.println. Distance to the Sun in km plus distance to Sun in km. System.out.println. Total distance for a round trip to the Sun in km plus total distance. Long large calculation equals 5 million L * 3 million L. System.out.println. Result of large calculation plus large calculation. Here, we've declared and initialized long variables, performed some arithmetic operations, and printed the results. Notice how we use the L suffix to indicate that these are long literals. Exercise. Now it's your turn. Here's a coding exercise for you. Write a Java program to calculate the number of milliseconds in a day using the long data type. Pause the video, try it out, and come back to see the solution. Solution explanation. Solution explanation. Welcome back. Let's look at the solution for the exercise. Public class long example. Public static void main string args. Long milliseconds in a second equals 1000 L. Long seconds in a minute equals 60 L. Long minutes in an hour equals 60 L. Long hours in a day equals 24 L. Long milliseconds in a day equals milliseconds in a second asterisk. Seconds in a minute asterisk minutes in an hour asterisk hours in a day. System.out.println. Milliseconds in a day plus milliseconds in a day. In this program, we multiplied the number of milliseconds in a second by the number of seconds in a minute, minutes in an hour, and hours in a day to get the total milliseconds in a day. Practical tips. Here are some tips for using long effectively. Always append an L to your long literals to avoid confusion with int. Use long for values that might exceed the int range. Remember that long consumes more memory than int, so use it judiciously. Conclusion. To sum up, we learned what long is, when to use it, and saw some practical examples. Practice more on your own and feel free to ask questions in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching.